In the quiet moments of life, when illness strikes, we seek solace and healing from those we trust most. This is a story of hope, quickly overshadowed by a system that often fails its most vulnerable. Our journey begins with a patient experiencing unsettling symptoms, a growing unease that demands attention. With a heavy heart but a hopeful spirit, they decide to seek professional medical help. The hospital, a beacon of healing, represents a promise of care and understanding. Our patient arrives, looking vulnerable, yet trusting, believing in the system designed to protect them. They navigate the bustling corridors, a silent plea for help etched on their face. This is where the narrative should shift, where compassion should meet urgency. But sometimes the system falters, and the human element of care is tragically overlooked. Finally, their name is called a moment of relief, a step closer to understanding their pain. They are led into an examination room, a space that should offer comfort and thorough assessment. Here the interaction begins, a critical juncture where empathy and expertise are paramount. But instead of a deep dive into their symptoms, a quick, almost perfunctory assessment takes place. The patient's concerns, their lived experience of pain, seem to be brushed aside. A diagnosis is quickly rendered, perhaps a common ailment, without the thoroughness required. The patient leaves, not with relief, but with a heavier heart, their hope diminished. The initial trust in the healthcare system begins to erode, replaced by a sense of abandonment. Back home, the prescribed remedies offer no comfort, and the symptoms persist, growing more severe. The illness, unchecked and misdiagnosed, begins to take a deeper toll on their body and spirit. Each passing day brings increased pain, a stark reminder of the care they did not receive. The vibrant life they once knew fades, replaced by a constant battle against an unseen enemy. The severity of their untreated illness becomes undeniable, a silent scream for help. Desperation sets in, prompting another attempt to find answers, to find a cure. This time, a different path is taken, a search for a medical professional who will truly listen. In a new setting, with a new doctor, a glimmer of hope reappears, fragile but present. This time, the examination is thorough, questions are asked, and every symptom is considered. The medical team works diligently, piecing together the puzzle of the patient's deteriorating health. Then, the moment of truth arrives. A serious, correct diagnosis is finally revealed. The illness, once dismissed, is now identified as critical, requiring immediate and intensive care. This revelation is a double-edged sword, relief at knowing but anger at the time lost. The critical nature of the illness initially missed underscores a profound failure. This isn't just an isolated incident. It's a symptom of a deeper, systemic problem. Racial bias in healthcare is a stark reality, often leading to delayed or inadequate care for minority patients. Studies consistently reveal disparities in treatment, pain management, and diagnostic accuracy. These biases, sometimes unconscious, have devastating, life-altering consequences. The impact extends beyond the individual, eroding trust within entire communities. Systemic failures are not just about individual mistakes, they are about ingrained patterns. It's patterns that perpetuate inequality and deny equitable care to all, regardless of their background. This story is a call to action, a demand for accountability and profound change. We must challenge the biases, educate the professionals, and reform the institutions. Every patient deserves to be heard, to be seen, and to receive the highest standard of care. Let this narrative be a catalyst for a healthcare system that truly serves all, a system where compassion triumphs over prejudice and every life is valued equally. Because in the pursuit of health, there should be no room for bias, only healing.